Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into a Hyperverse Crypto account. For that, you need to go in any web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome, and at the search bar, you need to search Hyperverse Crypto login. After that, various website will be presented. You need to click on hyperfonts.net. After that, you will be led to this kind of page, and at the top right, you can see this login option. You can click on that. Now again, this kind of interface will appear where you need to enter your email address and your password. Now in case if you want to be remembered for the next time you log into this account, you can check on this box. And in case if you haven't registered for your account, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to register it. And in case if you have forgotten your password, here you can see this option reset password. You can click on that and they will be guiding you further to recover your password. Now, if you have entered your credential correctly, you can click on sign in and you will be logged in to your Hyperverse Crypto account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.